Next is section formula. So we are having a line segment same like this, whose coordinate are x1, y1. B is a point whose coordinate are x2, y2. And this is a point P whose coordinate are x and y. This point P, divide this in 2 ratio m raised to m2. Then this x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is known as section formula. What's section formula? Understood? And if this ratio become equal, this P is become midpoint, then this x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. This is saying midpoint formula. What saying? Midpoint formula. Yes or no? These three formula we can say mainly two. Otherwise we can say three formula which are very important related to this chapter. So we will solve these multiple choice question. What's multiple choice question which is related to this chapter. So one by one we can start. So first question given of multiple choice. What saying? Option given to you. So solution here I can write the distance of a point P from the x-axis is. So distance of a point, we are having a point P whose coordinate are these, and this is the x-axis. So distance is this. Distance is this. What are the coordinate of this point? Coordinate of this point is this. What? X and y is 0. The distance of the point, distance of this point meaning this distance. How much unit? It's meaning y coordinate. Distance from the y coordinate. So like this. Otherwise, we can show like this. One unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. And point is where? P point, whose? This is 2 unit. And this is 3 unit. So meeting at a point. This is point P whose coordinate are 2 and 3. 2 meaning distance from the y-axis. And you have to tell the from the x-axis. So how much? 3 unit. So what's your answer? B. And if in place of x-axis they're using y-axis, then how much its answer? Then its answer is this. Got? Simple one. Already I told you AOBC. This we can say this type of figure. AOBC is a rectangle whose 3 vertices. This is 0, 3. This is 0, 0. Origin we can say